Management by reporting is a contraindication to Agile practice because the correct management pattern to use is actually management by exception. It's where you trust a team to deliver and you set tolerances within which that team is trusted to operate, and you trust them to let others know when those tolerances are exceeded and assistance is needed. That's management by exception, and that's a much more productive and much more empowering way of getting teams to work together and deliver value. Management by reporting, though, is when you have managers who are not part of that value stream reporting on progress to higher ups, to senior managers. Yeah. So when that happens, you've got information being communicated from a source that is not directly involved in production. So the information is filtered, it's delayed, it's not as useful as it might be. Not only that, and perhaps even more problematical, is the fact that with management by reporting, you have a rival management pattern in use. You effectively have an alternative to an agile way of working that competes with agility. You see, management by reporting is associated with traditional project management where you don't have empowered agile teams. It's where you have accountability expressed as a line through line management, and you have managers reporting back through the chain on what value is being delivered or is likely to be delivered, is expected to be delivered, and how progress is being made. That's utterly different and at odds with agile management, with management by exception, which stipulate that teams would be empowered and trusted to do their work. And not only that, but in an agile way of working, the teams would deliver value iteratively and incrementally. You see, in agile practice, the proof of success doesn't lie in reports, it lies in delivery. It lies in ongoing delivery of value, iteratively and incrementally. So where you find management by reporting happening, you've got a problem. You're quite likely to have an organisation that's hanging on to its traditional culture of receiving reports and measuring progress through reports, rather than committing itself to agile practices and the iterative and incremental delivery of real value, which should be what they really care about. Instead, management by reporting is quite often used as a comfort blanket. It's something that organizations hold on to. But they have to be persuaded to let go and to value iterative and incremental delivery first and foremost. Because that really is the proof of success. That is what is going to satisfy stakeholders. It's getting value out of the door as quickly as possible, as often as possible, in order to maximize the return on investment.